All right, happy homeowners over here in Huntington Beach, finishing up this beautiful floor. Went from that dark reddish brown something to the light, bright, beachy. Guys in there cutting upstairs, getting ready to start applying the second coat. So check it out. Gotta do the before and after pictures side by side. At least now you can see the grain of the wood. Got the blower still going. Very nice. No cursing on camera. Ooh.
Ooh, yeah.
There you go. Here's a good view. Walk with me. So this finish will dry at about less than an hour, and then we'll hit it with the real fine 320 sandpaper and coat it and be done. Just light and bright and natural, and we're going with the matte finish, that Lobra Supra 2-part epoxy, super strong. But with this natural finish, come in here, you scrape and scratch something, you'll be able to touch it up a lot easier. And with this floor, the beauty of having so many different individual pieces, and the dark grain, the light grain, the specks, it's going to give these guys the exact beach look that they were hoping for. And maintenance is going to be very low. The shinier a floor is, the more it shows up the dust, dirt, and scratches. The dust just shows up a lot, but the scratches, the floor isn't as hurt as it looks. It's just when you have a shiny floor and it scratches, that scratch isn't shiny anymore, so it looks worse than it is. That's why we're doing the matte finish. All right, guys, enjoy your day.